Hello everyone, let's start with exercise 2.3. So before starting exercise 2.3, I would like to tell you about functions first. So how we can say that whether the relation is a function or not. So we need to learn this in this exercise before starting this exercise. So I have taken two example here. So first I would like to tell you what function is. So function is said to be a relation from set A to B if every element of A has only one image with respect to set B. So there should be one image only if it needs to be a function. So now let's see, for the example 1 we have a relation between A and B. How? Because we have taken the square of numbers of element A. So here 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So there is a relation, and this is a function as well. Why? Because set A has only one image with respect to set B. If we have like 1 with 1 and 1 with 4, then we can't say that it is a relation. So there should be only one image with respect to B. So this is about functions. So now I have taken another example here that has 1 2 3 4 and we have 1 4 9. So 1 with 1, again 2 with 4, 3 with 9, but here you can see that 4 is left behind. So there is no number same for 4. It must have 16 to be a function. Now if there is no image for 4, then we can say that it is not a function. There must exist one image for set A. If it doesn't have, then we can say that it is not a function. Now moving on to question number 1, exercise 2.3. So in this we need to find whether the relations are functions or not. Then we need to give reasons for the same. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. So we have already learned about domain and range, but now we need to see whether it is a function or not. So here we can see that 2, 5, in the first part we can see that 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17 are the elements of the domain of the given relation having their unique images. So therefore we can say it is a function. So I will draw the diagram for same. So in this we need to put element A, and element A consists of number that are first elements of ordered pairs. So we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Now you can see for the B part we need to take the second elements. So here all the elements are same, that is 1. So therefore we can say we have only B in B has 1. So in this case you can see 2 with 1, 5 with 1, 8 with 1, 11 with 1, 14 with 1 and 17 with 1. So you can see that there is a unique image for all A. Now if it is like this, like 2 has 2 images, then it can't be a function. Now you can see 2 has 1 image, 5 has 1 image, 8 has 1 image. It could be with 1, but we can't make like this. The number we have as A or X elements, they can't have any, they should not have more than one image. So therefore we can say that this is a function. The first one is a function. Now we need to determine its domain and range. So domain is quite easy. Domain is the one which we have first elements in it. So this would be our domain and this would be our range. So domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Then for range is the second element of the ordered pair, and that is 1 only. Now the next one, the second part. Second part has X element or the first element as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then we have 14. Then in the B part we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 with 1, 4 with 2, 6 with 3, 8 with 4, 10 with 5, 12 with 6 and 14 with 7. So you can see again we have a unique image for all the A elements with respect to B. So it is again a function. Now we need to write the domain. Domain will have A elements, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now the range will be the B part, or we can say the second element of the ordered pair. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the third part, it says we have 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. So let us make a diagram for this same. Now this is the diagram for a third part, that is we have 1 and 2 as the elements of A and B as 3 and 5, that is the second element of ordered pairs. So here you can see that 1 corresponds to two different images here, 1 with 3 and 1 with 5. Now from this point only we can say that it is not a function. And another we have is 2, 5. So 2 with 5. So therefore we can say it is not a function. So we won't have domain or range for this. So that's all for question number 1.